Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So we're looking at temperatures that are coming in at about 88 degrees across the area. And that's probably about as warm as we're going to get this afternoon, 88, and probably not much in the way of any kind of rainfall close to the coastline. A west wind is going to push those showers into well inland areas today. We'll have a nice evening, I think. We'll have a little bit of cloud cover, residual cloud cover kind of left over, so that as we head into the 7 p.m. hour, temperature falling to about 82 should feel pleasant. Also, that westerly wind, if you're going to take a little stroll on the beach, should be nice. Should have enough cloud cover out there that the setting sun will reflect some colors and it should fill the sky. 82 degrees by about midnight, and then we wake up tomorrow morning about 78. So here's the Futurecast computer model for about 3 p.m. this afternoon. Expect to see most of that showery activity pushed toward the other coast by a general westerly wind. Not impossible that we'll pick up an isolated shower or two out in Gulf waters by late this afternoon into the early evening, but I think most of those will dissipate by the time they get closer to the coastline. You may see one actually make it onshore, but it will be a light shower, nothing heavy, certainly nothing severe. Then as we head into tomorrow morning, I think we have a chance of seeing a few of these showers kind of moving onshore, one or two. I think this model kind of overdoes it just a little bit in terms of how much rain we get. But I wouldn't be surprised to see an isolated shower in the pre-dawn hours move onshore. And then just like today, with that westerly wind, most all of those showers will be pushed well inland, where that's where we'll see most of the activity. High pressure brings us this westerly wind. A frontal boundary located just to the north stalls out over North Florida. And here's the thing. With time, that frontal boundary actually makes it down into west central Florida before it eventually just washes away. And some of the dry air back behind it may actually filter in here as we head into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You might notice kind of a little bit of reduction in that afternoon humidity. That's possible. So today, hot, humid, no doubt about that. Dew points in the upper 70s. It'll feel sticky this afternoon. Slight rain chances near the coast, much better rain chances in far inland areas, even outside of our viewing area in Highlands County. That's where we'll have some really good rain chances. And then a slight break in the humidity, perhaps, as we head into midweek, and some of that drier air to the north might just filter southward into our area. So, Titan radar picking up a few of those showers just as we thought they might be doing, moving toward the other coast where they will become, I think, greater in number and stronger in intensity. I don't think we'll see a whole lot build here in the afternoon, as we are currently seeing pretty quiet conditions. That kind of westerly wind forcing in a more stable marine layer right along our coastline. And there are a few scattered showers out in the Gulf waters, still all part of a frontal boundary which kind of meanders right across northern Florida and the northern Gulf Coast. It's producing some fairly heavy weather back to the west, but not a lot of heavy weather for us. A little bit of cloud cover perhaps from time to time, but also a lot of sunshine helping to boost that temperature up there and giving us a feels-like temperature when you factor in the temperature and the humidity. The feels-like temperature coming in the mid-90s. So kind of steamy out there. Beach and boating forecast calls for that west wind to continue on, maybe picking up a little bit during the overnight. And then as we head into the next several days, we'll have temperatures that'll be warm with slight chances of rain, I think, near the coast in the morning, but better chances inland later in the afternoon, followed by perhaps a slight little downtick in the amount of rainfall we get as wet, drier air filters in aloft, and then over the weekend another little system aloft helping to increase the chances of afternoon thunderstorm activity. Warm temperatures right straight through the 7 days.